So right now we're cutting some onions up and we're going to caramelize them off in our cast iron fry pan with a little bit of butter. And this is just going to add another dimension of flavor to our sandwich because we're going to take it up a notch with some great Bothwell aged cheddar. And we're going to use a charcuterie trio from Pillars. And these sandwiches are going to be a hit with you and your family. Again, we're just going to butter all the way over. Okay, so in our package we go. We're going to take out our salami. We're going to put the chorizo on, a couple of the Bothwell aged cheddar. Then we're going to put on our strawberries. And then our caramelized onions. Put those over the strawberries. Put our bread on and put it into our pan. Now, because I don't have the panini press here, and you want to do this, but I have 2 cast iron fry pans, so what we're going to do is we're just going to lay the one pan on, give it a quick press down. So in 5 minutes in real time, we've flipped it over. I have one great sandwich. I'm just going to cut this sandwich up and then put it on a plate. And the great thing is it's ready for your family to come and try it. As you can just see, it's all melted really nicely. The caramelized onions, we have the prosciutto, and it's ready to go. Thanks so much for watching. It's the Studio Kitchen by ChefD. Hey, like us, share us, follow us, and of course subscribe to us. Till next time.